All right, guys, the long-awaited 2024 KTM Group Minis are here. We're going to talk about the 50 in this video. So we obviously have the new bodywork to match the big bikes, but there's also new adjustability with the tank, the subframe, and the shock to where you can adjust this bike from 24.9 inches to 26.8 inches. This is also an all-new engine. It's been bumped to 49.9 cc, and it's got a new digital ignition. Does that mean that the stator problems from the last generation are going to be gone? It's got a new frame that changed the shock mounting position and a new subframe. And yes, the centrifugal clutch is all new too. I hope it's better. The new radiator is one large single piece design, and it also has a new exhaust that's got smoothed out welds inside that's supposed to increase flow and horsepower. As far as the suspension, we're still running WP Exact 35 air forks. This is great for kids because they vary so drastically in size, and then they grow and you don't have to change spring rates. It's all free spring rate adjustments and lots of adjustability at that. And then of course the tapered aluminum handlebar with the ODI lock-on grips. The brakes on the front and rear are going to be formulas, and they're wave rotors. Pretty excited about this bike, guys, and to see if it can catch those Cobras or not. What do y'all think?